Personal property, probably one of my favorites. This is going to cover everything from bobby pins to appliances, your furniture, clothing, electronics. It is quite literally what you own. The coolest thing about personal property is that it also covers property outside of the home. So let's say I decide to go to Belize and they've lost my luggage. They've lost absolutely everything in my case, and now I need to buy clothes and all kinds of things for my trip. Personal property is actually covered under the homeowners policy. Traditionally, these are going to be percentages. However, sometimes companies allow you to adjust it. Now, I wouldn't take 100,000 of anything on a vacation with me. But if I did lose all of my favorite clothes on the way to a wedding, as an example, and they lost my luggage, I would want to be compensated. And that, again, is going to be the homeowner's policy.